I have a co-host over here. Zeni's here, so everything that I say she'll repeat. So she's a copycat sort of, and she wants to talk like me. Okay, Zeni, come say hello. Tla, hello. 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 Hi. Hi. Okay, Tlafas. Yes, true. So today's video is a continuation from yes, have I? So today I'll be showing you guys how I blow dry my hair using this one-step hair dryer and styler. So I've seen other people saying they bought it from Clicks, but I looked at Clicks, I couldn't find it. So I checked it, go Takealot, and I found it. So I don't know if it's a cheaper version of the one at Clicks, but they look the same, like the same. I don't know what's the story about this thing, but it works for me. I've used it before, and the good part of this, it detangles my hair. Like, yo, it's the best when it comes to detangling. It even says here that it's a tangle free drying, but yeah, it really helps with detangling my hair because of, I think, this brush thingy here. And the main concern about this is that I struggle to hold it because I'm supposed to hold it here, but I end up holding it here and it overheats along the process. So that's why I have my towel. Somewhere, so I'll just wrap it around here when I brush my hair. So if you have watched my wash day vlog, you will see that I left my hair like this. My hair like this in these strands, and then yeah, I spent the whole day with it. So in the morning I just applied a little bit of oil, the same oil that I use, the grapeseed and avocado oil. This one from Auntie Jackie's. Oh, it's nyaka it's almost chia ngwana. Eh, ke tla ke ka fetsa ke. Nope. I don't know who taught her nope, but that's the language. Everything is nope, nope, nope. So I'm just gonna use the water bottle just to spray my hair. And then I'll use this leave-in conditioner also. And then I'll use this oil moisturizer, guys. So this is an oil moisturizer. I love it that it has avocado oil. It smells so nice. Like, one thing about Auntie Jackie's products, they smell very nice. So even this one, it's not an Auntie Jackie, it's a black chick product, but it smells very nice. And I like the fact that it's an oil and also a moisturizer, so I don't have to do oils and moisturizers. But sometimes if my hair's a little bit dry, then I'll do the oil and the moisturizer. So for today, after drying it, after blow drying it, then I'll just apply this. So I think I'm done talking. Okay, no, okay guys, let me start before load shedding. And then this girl wants to talk. Okay, thank you Zeni. So I realized that my hair was a bit wet from the wash day, so I didn't apply any water. So I just went in with the leave-in conditioner
then apply it thoroughly into my hair, and then I section my hair into two because those twists were a bit big, so that I can blow dry my hair thoroughly. So our hair dryer have many options there. You have cool, you have low, you have high. So for my hair, I'll use high because it's a bit stubborn. Even the volume is a lot, so I choose to use high. But if your hair requires low or medium, you can go for that, as long as it's not going to damage your hair or make it break or anything like that. The oil moisture by the black chick to restore any lost moisture during the blow drying, and then this will leave my hair looking all soft and shiny. Then I'll use some of the grapeseed and avocado oil mainly for my scalp, and then this will promote a bit of hair growth. Then I'll do the 2-strand twist as a protective hairstyle for my hair, and also to seal in the moisture. So this will protect my hair from breaking during sleep. this morning this hair looks like these, guys. Look how beautiful it is. Very nice. So I tried to style it there just a bit, and yeah, nothing serious. And then that's how my hair looks like. Beautiful. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you next time.